I'm not hungry, but I might go eat a donut or something like that. Peace. All right, guys, we're back. It's straight out of content. We are back in the new shop. As you guys,
and Flash Custom
oh
Transfers.
Yeah, and Flash Custom Transfers. You know our business. We are here in the new shop. As you guys can see, some things are being done. So it's gonna be a little quick video. As you guys can see, we're taking out. Everything has been taken out. We still got a lot more stuff. What do you say? Compressor back there. These things are going maybe over here. There's air lines, but wherever you see a hole, that's where there's going to be a printer. So printer, and then DTF machine. I mean, not the DTF machine, sublimation machines will be right there. Presses will be right here. Ink and stuff like that back there. So as you guys can see, it's getting, it's coming along. It's coming along. In fact, the next time we film, all the printers will be installed, right, babe?
Yes. Everything's happening this weekend. Everything's being moved in this weekend, Friday. So next time we come, it will be up and running.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then the office over there, or the mini office over there, it's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice. Just wanted to show you guys. I know the last video you guys seen. Oh, you know what? In fact, I need to make that video public because it's private right now.
What? Why?
The one I uploaded today because I just didn't have time. I did everything, but I needed to make it. Let me make it. This video right here, guys, so go check it out. How to make 3,500 in a day. This video, let me go make it public. Bam, stop being nasty, naughty. So yeah, guys, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys the new, what it looks like. Yeah, how it's coming along, and you won't see it. Like, go check out this video right here, though. Go check out this video, how to make 3,500 in a day, because we just did that on Monday.
Ooh, we collected 38.
Oh, we collected 38, but we collected 3,800, but we have like
square fees, savings,
automatic savings, loans, and stuff like that we have associated with everything. So check us out, guys. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. That's our email. Email us there if you don't have any experience. If you do have experience with ordering, go right now, flashcustomtransfers.com. You can get our $14.99 gang sheet, 22 by 24 sublimation gang sheets, or our traditional DTF gang sheet. So check us out, man. We got blank apparel over here. We can do large quantity of shirts and stuff like that. If you guys need it, ask us for a quote. Somebody asked me if I gave no, in fact, I think we got to see if he sent his email, huh, babe? The guy who was asking about the stickers.
I had a lot of people asking.
I know. There's a guy asking about stickers. Listen, we can do stickers, but it's got to be a big thing. He had like bottles and 100 bottles and stuff like that. So we can do them, but we're not gonna do like, hey, I need a YouTube sticker. It's not gonna happen. We need a big order. So we will do shirts. We can do big order shirts, like 100 or more. And we can do, she's shaking her head, no.
No, we cannot.
Yes.
I'm not doing this on apparel.
Hush. We can do 100 order shirts. Stop. We can do, look at you.
Say that. Edit that out. We cannot do 100 order shirts.
Yes, we can.
We will. Stickers, yes. We are not doing
do stickers, 100 order shirts, you name it. We can do it, but it's got to be worth our while. It's not something that we're just going to just do.
Carl can do.
Just
to
do.
Press?
It's not going to be something done that just, it's got to be worth our while because it's not really what we do. So if you need 100 shirts pressed, we can give you a quote. You need 200 shirts pressed, we can give you a quote. If you need, 100 stickers, we can give you a quote. If you need a big sublimation project, we can give you a quote. Now, you can still get our sheets, but we can do all that. So this video is not going to be long. It's not even going to be 8 minutes. It's going to be a quick video so you guys can see what we're working on. The next video that you guys see, the next video that you guys see will not be us in here, but the next video that you guys see of this place, you will see all the printers that will be fully operating. So super excited, man. This place is nice. It's got a lot of things going on. It's really big. And I can't wait till all the printers are installed. So that's it. Chelly's laughing. She's always laughing at me. She's all, why are you laughing?
Because I was thinking about, he said, you're tall ass. If anybody doesn't know, Carl is tall.
Oh, no. Oh, what's the guy? What's the big dude? What's his name?
Oh,
You sent me the picture. I want to give him a shout out.
what are you talking about?
The dude that just did a review on our sheets. He's tall too. Remember, he's like 6'5".
Oh, 6'5".
300.
Oh, yeah, shout out. Let me find him real quick.
I just got
You
it.
didn't
You
make
sent me a
video?
screenshot. No, you sent me a screenshot.
I watched
Oh,
his video.
Quail Tees by Chris.
Quail Tees by Chris.
Right here, guys, right here. Quail Tees by Chris. Go subscribe to him right now. Oh, we just got an order. Thank you, Frederick Williams, for your order.
Gosh, don't be saying.
Frederick Williams, you gotta say. Oh, yeah. Quail Tees by Chris. Why aren't you subscribed?
My bad, Quail Tees. Oh, you know what? I was under another account.
Okay.
This is a different. I have several.
Go
accounts.
subscribe. He's got 408 subscribers. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get Quail Tees. Guys, right there. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Let's get him, all you Straight Outta Content fans, Flash Customs Transfers fans, if you guys support my channel, go support the people that support us. Go subscribe to him right now. Pause the video if you have to. Go subscribe.
He did an unboxing on our transfers, and then he did a review. So
Yep.
go ahead and check those out. Like, comment, and subscribe to his channel.
Yep.
Quail Tees. Oh no, it's Qualities.
Oh,
Qualities.
qualities.
Oh, where'd it go?
I'm
Qualities.
Qualities.
Yes, there he goes right there.
Don't play it. I can't play it.
Well, I'm not playing the sound.
Okay.
Qualities by Chris.
Qualities by Chris. I said Quail. I'm stupid.
And I said Quail too because I've been listening to you.
Anyway, so yeah, guys, go subscribe to Qualities by Chris on YouTube right now. Go subscribe, man. Go support him. Because as soon as everybody knows, or if you don't know, you get 4,000 hours watched, 1,000 subscribers, and then you start to get monetized. So he can start to really grow his brand, no different than us. Because if it wasn't for YouTube, we wouldn't be successful. We wouldn't be able to have this beautiful place that we have here. Also, go subscribe to Flash Custom Transfers. Even though she's monetized, she can't reactivate her monetization on her YouTube until you guys start watching the videos. So start watching the videos. In fact, maybe you should make a video over here for your channel. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
So,
true.
all right, guys, that's going to be it. I'm not hungry, but I might go eat a donut or something like that. Peace.